In this video, I'm going to show you how my team redesigned the Joe's Gutter services. As you can see here, this is the old website we have. It's not horrible, but there are pieces that is lacking in this website. So we redesigned it to a new design right now. And so this is the new design. So you have a call to action straight and with a nice video background. We launched this last night. And so as you can tell in analytics, as we just launching it from zero traffic to now going up, and it's gonna have more traffic, more people going to this website. Okay, so the old website, as you can see, the search engine optimization score, it has only 56. I mean, that's really bad. Okay, with title or missing meta description and not properly using the heading, the H1 infrastructure. So, but by redesigning it with my team of Instant Web Tools, we bring it up to 91. So the score, it's this website is going to be optimized and it load faster than the old website. So as you can see here, this is the actual website right here. Okay. So we have a nice navigation menu here. You got the promo, you got the phone number, you got the call to action to get a free estimate, and then you have this featured products and services that you want to highlight. You got the reviews right here to get more people to get convinced that this is a good business practice here. They got showcases their portfolio and then they're showing their expertise as well. So that's just got her. With that, last night we re-indexed it in Google and take a look. So if you click the okay, they are now they are now if you type it in Google, Gutter services in Richmond. As you can see, organically, Joe's is the one that is the first one that show off here. Okay. So guys, if you have the website that is not optimized, my team, Instant Web Tools, can boost your website and really increase your traffic.